Actor Madhuri Dixit praised Odisha's textile heritage, calling its weaves stories woven with love and patience. In an Instagram post, she highlighted the craftsmanship, saying each handloom reflects generations of skill, culture, and dedication passed down by artisans. Odisha launched Pravesh Utsav and Khadi Chhuan to mark the beginning of the academic year. CM Mohan Charan Majhi inaugurated the program, guiding children in the symbolic Khadi Chhuan ritual. The initiative from April 6 to 8 aims to boost enrollment and promote foundational learning under NEP 2020. Bapi Nahak from Minagadia village died at AIIMS Bhubaneswar after injuries in the Nayagar firecracker blast. The explosion in Koror village on Friday injured 6 people during illegal preparation for the April 7 Lanka Podi festival. 5 others remain under treatment. Jharsuguda recorded 41.6 degrees Celsius, the highest in Odisha in the last 24 hours. IMD forecasts Kal Baishakhi rains till April 8 across several districts. Rainfall may intensify from April 5, with temperatures likely to drop by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius after April 10. The long-awaited Sri Jagannath International Airport project in Puri has taken a significant step forward with the central government granting Stage 1 approval for diversion of forest land. The approval is conditional, with compliance required before final Stage 2 clearance is granted. One more Indian-flagged LPG tanker, Green Sanvi, has crossed the war-affected Strait of Hormuz and is now en route to India. The tanker is estimated to be carrying around 44,000 tons of LPG, roughly equivalent to half a day's LPG consumption in India before the ongoing West Asia conflict. The Election Commission has approved the creation of 4,660 auxiliary polling stations to facilitate voters, where the number of voters exceeded 2,200 in West Bengal. The total number of polling stations, including auxiliary polling stations, now stands at 85,379. Iran has formally rejected a United States proposal for a 48-hour ceasefire. The offer was convened through a third country, but Tehran responded by intensifying operations on the ground rather than pausing. A US Air Force F-15E Strike Eagle shot down over Iran. However, both crew members ejected from the aircraft. In a separate incident, the same day, a US Air Force A-10 Thunderbolt II attack aircraft was also lost in the region. Its pilot was rescued safely. A major tragedy struck Nasik, Maharashtra, where 9 members of the same family, including 6 children, died after their car plunged into a roadside well in the Shivajinagar area. The accident took place around 11:30 p.m. on Friday in Dinori Taluka, about 40 km from Nasik.